Morning, folks. Well, it's July 20th, 2018, and I'm out on the north side of the work area right now. And this morning I'm going to try and get the soffit running down along this side of the building and on the east side of the building as well. Those are the two areas I'm going to concentrate on this morning. Hopefully things go well. I've got the west and the south done so far. Still have to box in the bird's nests, on the corners, and put fascia on as well. So we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Well, here we go. Okay, at this point I've gotten all of the vinyl soffit installed all the way around. There are a few places where that I've got to craft some fascia that's going to create a bird box, which is where the gable ends of the roof attach with the eaves of the roof. So what I have to do is see if I can bend some aluminum that will create a nice little enclosure around this, and then the fascia that goes up under the drip edge along the gable roof will fall over, will nest over the top of that. Where the bird box term came from, I have no idea. So it's really getting pretty darn hot out here. It's in the 90s now, and I really should do some weeding, but I'm not really feeling up to that. I just checked on the compost pile. Probably tomorrow I'm going to have to turn that. We're just hitting the 160, the 155 to 160 right now in the pile. And I've got to do some more watering and a little bit of harvesting as well. But I should actually start looking at some of the photos and some of my notes from 6 years ago when I took this greenhouse down. Since it's so hot that I'm probably not going to think too straight. Go inside where it's cool and make some determinations of how to proceed from here. So if this video was of any value, or if you found it interesting, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when we post more videos on the greenhouse construction. And by all means, folks, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye now.